And it ended up being that she
changed the game after last night. After last night, I think I'm in love with you.
I think I'm in love with you.
You know you really made me hate myself. I ain't stopped before I break myself. Sure, fuck it up, thank myself. You didn't love me at all, at all.
أستغفر الله رب البرايا أستغفر الله من الخطايا ربي زدني علما نافعا ووفقني.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm going to take my ginger turmeric cucumber. What was the big one? Pineapple, like shot. I haven't taken it for like a bit over a week, so. But today I tried a new recipe. It's like chia seeds coffee. Like I'm really trying to add chia seeds to my like meals because I feel like I've had so many good things. So yeah, let's try it because it doesn't really have a taste, so. Don't worry about it. Like, I can taste the chia seeds and I have to chew them, but like, it's really not that bad. So, I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I'm actually a bit late because I have to go to school. So, yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh wait, the light. It's so bad.
It's so bad.
I think it should be this one.
Okay, guys.
I have this. What's it called? Ben and Jerry.
Ben and Jerry?
Whatever flavor this is. Cookies and cream.
This is classic. Love me.
So we opened it and like there's the thing in it. And someone is gonna come right now. I know for a fact.
Nobody is here. Cheers.
Oh.
It's cookie dough ice cream.
Here it is. It doesn't even look that aesthetic.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's even not that cold.
Ah.
Really? It's
No,
not
it mistakenly went to the side. I always have to be on the side. It's okay. It's actually not like ice cream consistency.
But because of your teeth.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's actually nice. Okay, let's go. We have assignments to work on. No, actually, no.
You have
Project.
Okay. Class of 2025.
Oh.
Look at that.
Who is on there? Ooh. Your one is not that cute. That one is so like nice. I already showed you guys. Okay. This is for Monday. This will be the only day that I'll film so many clips. So on campus. But when I'm back, you guys are the vibes. You guys are the vibes.
It started. It's going.
Don't fake it, actually work. Don't fake it, actually work.
I'm doing the good.
So as you guys, I think I showed you, I was like eating some cookies. I literally ate like 2, ate a few nuts, and I was like, Kenny, just come make dinner, because like, so yeah, today I'm making just like noodles, stir fry. Like, I don't know, but like when I'm cooking here, not like here, like I mean in Germany in general, like I feel like everything feels hard. Not like I don't like it, I really like it because it's very therapeutic for me, because like, you know, silence, listening to my podcast or whatever, and like cooking is very nice, and then I get to enjoy it later. But like when I was home, I feel like it was quick. I could do it quickly, like I know the ingredients, like the ingredients are lying around. But here, I don't know, maybe because I live alone and I'm being very like financially conscious, I don't just buy good like groceries like that. So like, I don't know. But anyways, also, I don't know if I already said this, but I bought chicken, right, in this pack, and it looked like the chicken was already ready. Like, I just need to heat it like all my other chicken, but no, it wasn't. It was like raw chicken, and now I had to season it. It's just so annoying. So right now, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to season the chicken. It's all I have to season because I don't have like garlic or like ginger. So, because it wasn't a needed meal in my meal plan, because I didn't know that the chicken would become like this. So I'm going to use that sauce thing that I normally make and use that. Yeah. And also, I bought like this cabbage, right? But it's not the normal cabbage. It's like kada. So I think it's a different type of cabbage. And I don't know how it will be in the stir fry, but like I'll make sure I'll cook this really for a very long time because I want it soft. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna make today. Today was my last day of work, so I'm free for the rest of the week. Friday I have a dentist appointment. Thank God, because my teeth is hurting right now, and like I think it's affecting like this side of my face. This eye is like hurting. My forehead was twitching, like it was like it was twitching. My ear, this ear is paining me and it's blocked. Could life get any worse? And like I'm getting like this skin stuff, and I was talking to one of my friends at work, and like I'll have to go to one of the doctors and like register to be like, for him to be like my home doctor, and then through that I'll like get the appointment, like checkups, because like I have health insurance. Let me use it, because I'm scared. I don't know, the skin stuff is making me overthink. I don't want to like be like thinking negatively, but like I hope I don't have skin cancer, because it's everywhere and it looks like it's getting worse. And she said one of her friends had like some spots on her leg, and then ended up being that she was allergic to like detergent she was using. So I'm hoping mine is around those lines because I am not about to be doing chemo. So I'm just hoping. So I'm just gonna make this just watch my podcast. I'm watching Unfiltered with Zane and Hayes Unfolded. Like just watching the episode and just relaxing and just cooking and yeah, the vibes. I'll show you guys as much as I can, like the recipe. My friends were saying, show the recipe. I'll show the recipe as much as I can, but sorry the angles and the lighting is bad. It's winter. Yeah, winter already, so bear with me. Let's go. I used this black pepper, chili, white peppers. I don't think I put a salt in yet, but curry powder, and then these like spices, and I put just like 2 tablespoons of this. This kitchen is so messy, but I'm yet to like stir it well. I feel like this is a lot, so I'll probably leave a bit of it because this is too much. But anyways, yeah. Wait. We've been there, Bremen. So this, I have to do the same thing she did. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a Q&A now. So you guys are all wondering like if I have a boyfriend or not. So the truth is, she's my boyfriend. You know? So yeah. Yes, I actually do, but I don't wanna tell anyone right now.
But they haven't seen music.
No, not you. You sound like a girl. You think you sound like a boy? Really?
You were the boyfriend, I think.
Honestly, yeah. I give you money. I take you places. It's crazy. Anyways, so his name is. Yeah. So that guy is like she was about to mention his mom.
Oh,
We are friends. No. Oh my god, that's even worse. But yeah.
You are kidding.
I'm single. I will be single for the foreseeable future. I'm single. I will be single for the foreseeable future. Till like. So I turned 20. So I turned 20.
I also have a question. When are you getting married?
I'm getting married.
Yeah.
25.
Du bist verheiratet?
25.
25? Jahre alt?
What?
Jahre alt?
Ja.
Okay. Gut.
German Kelly.
In cosmic dance, giving all their love a chance. Meteor showers paint the sky. We will laugh and we will cry. Constellations point the way to a dawn of brighter day. Nebulous in colors gleam in this vast and endless dream. Sabrina Carpenter die with a smile. Starry nights we see them clear. Sabrina Carpenter die with a smile. Hearts will soar without a fear. Sabrina Carpenter die with a smile. Hold on to the light inside. Sabrina Carpenter die with a smile. Dance with stars, no need to hide.
Fully stocked fridge. So I have some chicken here. I'm gonna make fried rice this week. I have some like salmon. Instead of ham, I wanted to try like the salami. Then my usual sausage. This I already had. I just want to finish it up. Maybe I'll put in the fried rice. I'm gonna draw my yogurt because one of the days I will eat a yogurt bowl for breakfast. So I've got some apples, spring onions. What's that? Oh, avocados. The ones that are ripe. The ones that are almost ripe are here. Oh, what is this? Oh, anyways, carrots, and then I have some leftover cola. Leftover milk, my green juice. I really need to finish that. Some drinks that I got when I went to school. My eggs fully filled. Some condiments. These are almost done, so I put some more mayo and not the mayo because I feel like, yeah. And cheese. So yeah, kitchen is looking clean. Yep. Anyways, guys, so that's it for this video. But then this evening, what am I eating? I'm eating something. I forgot what it is, but I think this video is long enough. I think I've not started editing. I don't know anything about the video right now. But yeah, that's what I usually do for my meal plan. So I have the grocery list, go get my groceries, and then stock the fridge and my pantry and everything. So yeah, that's it for this video. This week I went to school just twice, I think. Yeah, and so I didn't really eat much at home, but then again I did. So I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys my laundry. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it kind of gave you an insight into how I plan my meals and stuff like that. And like I look into like college life a bit also. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Back to my music session.